How to choose the class of AI to get a perfect fit for medium-sized bank.
There are several aspects that should be covered by the bank to choose the solution. As I mentioned earlier, my opinion is that the bank should be able to get tailored solution to the bank's needs, and it doesn't mean that the solution should be custom-made. It can be just built on different blocks, different elements of existing solutions. So the first thing is to make decision by the bank which elements are needed. Whether the bank needs data platform because data are fragmented or are in a database which do not allow machine learning analysis. And of course, if the banks already have data platform, it's not necessary to look for solution including data platform. Another area is ML. So it's also always a matter of the question whether ML should be part of the solution, or some banks want to prepare machine learning model by themselves. So usually the bank should decide which of those areas should be covered within the product, and then look at the solutions which includes needed elements. Another thing is also decision when it comes to integration, because integration can be made by the bank themselves, but some banks and most of banks still have lack of resources. So it's also part of decision whether to take the vendor who is also capable to do the integration. Another thing it's scalability. So it's very important with its medium bank. Usually the bank wants to achieve a success and have higher volumes of customers, what means higher volumes of data, and so on in the future. So the bank should take into consideration a solution that grow together with the bank. So the solution should enable bank to grow in the future, to scale the business, and to start, let's say, from smaller requirements when it comes to performance, and then scale into serve larger numbers of customers, larger numbers of transactions, and other elements. So usually it's those, I think, are the most important aspects that should be taken into consideration when bank is picking a particular solution.